What if I told you AI could save your small business hours every single day and at the same time multiply your growth? In this tutorial, you will discover the most important AI tools to boost your business and stay competitive. Like it or not, AI has become an essential part of modern business strategy. It saves time, reduces costs, and helps you work smarter, not harder. But here's the key. AI works best when you use it as a supportive tool, not when you try to put it at the center of everything. Let's break down how you can actually implement AI in your business and start seeing results. Small businesses face two big challenges: limited resources and massive competition. That's where AI creates opportunity. With the right tools, you can understand your customers better, automate repetitive work, improve your marketing results, make smarter, data-driven decisions, upgrade your content creation skills. Instead of guessing what works, AI gives you clear insights into trends, customer behavior, and even your competitors. Let's dive into the most powerful ways AI can help your business grow. Creating blog posts, product descriptions, and newsletters can take hours. Tools like ChatGPT, Claude, Jasper, and Gemini can generate first drafts, suggest topics, and even write full articles. FreePic AI is another great tool, and you can test its free version to see how advanced it is in understanding your prompt when generating videos and images. But remember, AI is a starting point, always edit to match your brand's personality and voice. In previous videos, I have already mentioned how important social media is for marketing and promoting your business. So posting regularly is not to be underestimated. AI-driven analytical tools can help you develop a functional social media strategy by tracking engagement, finding the best posting times, identifying influential followers. Tools like Blaze can create a full content calendar for a week or even a month with just a few clicks. Platforms like Sprout Social suggest improvements to increase reach and engagement. AI doesn't just crunch numbers, it reads behavior. It can analyze purchase histories, reviews, and even social media posts. This allows you to predict customer needs and deliver highly personalized experiences. Imagine sending every customer an email with the exact product they are most likely to buy. That's the power of AI personalization. Today's chatbots are smarter than ever. They answer customer questions, recommend products, and even process payments 24/7. But beware, a poorly designed chatbot frustrates customers. Always test and choose reliable solutions like FreshChat or Customer. Why guess what's working for your competitors when you can know for sure? Tools like SEMrush show your competitor keywords, ad spend, and SEO tactics instantly. This saves you weeks of manual research and helps you adapt your strategy quickly. Ranking in local search is vital but time-consuming. AI tools like SEO AI automatically optimize your content for local keywords, manage reviews, and update listings to help you stand out in your area. AI frees you from busy work. Otter and Wingman transcribe calls. Okiflow and Motion build smarter schedules. Levity organizes your inbox. Microsoft Copilot drafts blog posts, marketing plans, and social media content. Gemini for Google Workspace summarizes documents and automates repetitive tasks. HubSpot automates follow-ups, keeps your pipeline in check, and makes reporting easy so you always know what's working. Jasper AI unifies your brand experience, accelerates content velocity, and automates marketing process at scale. Synthesia generates professional AI videos for training or marketing. High Level combines CRM, email, SMS, and ad creation in one AI suite. These tools aren't just buzzwords, they're practical solutions already driving results for small businesses. That means more time to focus on growth instead of admin tasks. If it sounds too technical for you, let's analyze a few real-world examples of successful AI implementation. An online store can use AI analytics to predict inventory needs and avoid over-ordering or shortages. A law firm can automate document review, saving hours of manual work. A local restaurant can run targeted AI-driven ads that bring in new customers every week. A dental clinic can use AI cybersecurity tools to protect sensitive patient data. AI isn't just theory, it's already transforming businesses like yours. If you're starting your business, building a website is one of the initial steps to take after you have defined your niche. Nowadays, you can launch a professional website without spending a fortune with no-code builders like SpreadSimple. And the best part is, you can start using SpreadSimple right now for free. Later, if you want to upgrade, you can select a suitable subscription plan. SpreadSimple lets you create full-featured websites directly from Google Sheets. Just update your spreadsheet and your website updates automatically. If you are looking to save even more time, try SpreadSimple's new AI creator. All it takes is a quick prompt and your site is instantly ready. It's fast, hassle-free, and ideal for busy business owners. Want to see it in action? Watch our AI Builder tutorial and launch your website in just minutes. So how do you start with AI without feeling overwhelmed? Analyze your workflows, identify what's slowing you down. Pick the right tools, start small, maybe with one AI platform that fits your strategy. Train your team. Make sure your staff knows how to use the tools effectively. Track results, monitor performance, and adjust as you go. Do not forget the key point: AI doesn't replace you, it empowers you to make better decisions and scale faster. AI is no longer just for big corporations. It's here to help small businesses like yours save time, cut costs, and accelerate growth. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, hit the subscribe button, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Check out the other videos on our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!